Hi there. Welcome to Getting Started with Diffbot's Excel add-in, Video 4 on data enrichment. In this video, we'll cover the enhance functionality within the Diffbot Excel add-in. First off, when should you use enhance? Enhance is a data enrichment tool built off the world's largest knowledge graph. It can help to augment your data about people or organizations of interest. In short, you should use enhance when you already know the names or web addresses of people or organizations and you would like to enrich this data. Enhance within Diffbot for Excel returns two entity types, including people entities and organizational entities. People entities hold information valuable for many use cases and include data on what skills an individual has, where they work, where they have worked, educational history, and mentions in the news. Within Excel, we've also teamed up with a variety of contact info providers like Hunter.io and ZoomInfo. So if you have accounts with any of these services, you can further augment your people data with contact information. Diffbot org entity types hold a great deal of information, including news mentions, founders, market caps, subsidiaries, industry codes, and much more. Now that we've covered when you should use enhance, let's jump right in. From within your Excel instance, head to the top right corner of the Home tab in the toolbar and click Open Diffbot Add-in. Once it's loaded, click on Enhance. For Enhance to work, you'll need to feed the organizations or people you want to find more info on. For our initial run, click Create Sample Input Data. This will populate a spreadsheet with unique IDs, names of orgs, and their URLs. Note that you don't need all of these fields to use Enhance on your own data. Just unique identifiers and one additional field, which could include URLs, Diffbot entity IDs, locations, or org names. With that said, the more of these fields you can supply, the more precise the match you can gain in your return data. In our case, the input fields have been pre-toggled, column A for custom ID, B for organization name, and C for URL. If you use your own data, you'll have to fill out these columns for yourself. When you're ready, click Next to enter the output screen. We recommend for initial walkthroughs returning all default fields, so just click Execute to continue. Peruse the results to get a glimpse of what sort of fields are available within Organizational Enhance. And when you're ready to proceed, simply scroll up in the add-in pane and change your data type to People. We'll follow the same process as before, scrolling to the bottom and clicking Create Sample Input Data, and then Next. You'll notice an untoggled section on emails, which we'll tackle in our next video on lead generation with Diffbot for Excel. For now, scroll to the bottom and click Execute. Note that people data in Enhance return job histories, educational histories, social media accounts, as well as a list of skills. Thanks for your time, and be sure to check out other technique videos for Diffbot's Excel integration for a well-rounded understanding of using Diffbot in Excel.